If I were a sales rep in 2026, I would not just learn how to use AI tools. I would learn how to turn AI into leverage. The mistake most reps make is thinking AI is about replacing effort. It is not. It is about removing the wasted effort that slows deals down. Skill number 1 is AI-assisted prospect research. You should be able to understand a prospect, company, trigger, and likely business problem in minutes. Use AI to summarize what the company does, who they sell to, what might be changing, and what problems that could create for the buyer. Skill number 2 is message framing. AI can write words, but the real skill is knowing what angle the message should take. Bad AI messaging sounds like a generic pitch. Better AI messaging connects a real business signal to a real business problem. Skill number 3 is building follow-up systems. The money is often not lost on the first call. It is lost when follow-up becomes random. Build a follow-up ladder. Recap, value add, objection reducer, decision prompt, and clean break. Skill number 4 is objection thinking. Do not just ask AI for comebacks. Ask it what the objection might really mean. Ask AI to break the objection into hidden concerns, buyer fears, and questions you should ask before responding. Skill number 5 is call prep. Average reps wing it. AI leveraged reps walk in with priorities, questions, objections, and a plan. Before a call, ask AI what this buyer likely cares about, what questions to ask, what objections may come up, and how to guide the conversation. Skill number 6 is CRM translation. AI can turn messy call notes into clean summaries, risks, next steps, and follow-up tasks. Paste your call notes into AI and ask for a clean CRM update with decision criteria, stakeholders, risks, timeline, and next actions. But the most important skill is still human judgment. I can organize the work, but you decide what matters. The reps who stay valuable are not the ones who memorize prompts. They are the ones who know how to combine AI with sales experience. Do not chase every new AI app. Pick one tool, build repeatable workflows, and use those workflows every week. In 2026, the advantage is not knowing AI exists. The advantage is knowing where AI fits inside the sales process. If you are a sales rep, start with the workflows that save time, improve follow-up, and help you prepare better. If you want a simple starting point, grab my free guide. 25 AI prompts every sales rep should steal.